Today we're going to talk about how to reset your Wi-Fi password in the Haven Lighting app. If you're already logged in, go to Settings, then Account, and select Change Password. When you update your password, an email will be sent to your inbox to confirm the change. Just click the link in the email to set your new password. If you're not logged in, no problem. On the sign-in screen, tap Login, then select Forgot Password. When you hit the Reset Password button, the same reset email will be sent to your inbox. Click the link in the email, create a new password, and then return to the app to log in again. If you need more help, feel free to submit a support ticket on our website at shophaven.com. Be sure to subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.